Hey, what's up guys, it's Victor here, and today I'm going to meet a fellow YouTuber and we are going to go on a hike at the Hyrax Museum. Here with another creator and you'll get to meet her. What's up?
Hello everyone, hi. So they call me Maureen Spears. Anyway, yeah, my name is Maureen Spears on YouTube and Dina Kado Kunyoneri Kado. Yeah.
Can't forget my camera. So we are at that place, Hyrax Museum, at the ticket office. But apparently looks like no one is around this place.
So we can slowly get away with this.
Yeah, we can proceed to you can proceed to the gallery. Weather has changed and it's now raining, so we'll have to wait here for a while before we proceed with the hike. It has stopped raining. We can continue with the escapade. They are very shy.
I started YouTube someplace end of 2016 and it was because I don't know, I felt like I had a need to share something, because at that point is when I was going through, let's say, some issues in life. You know, everyone gets to that point when you're going through issues and you're questioning everything, and I felt like I needed to take it out to the world, you know, because if you stuff it in, you might end up getting depressed. So YouTube could be my savior, let's say. Yeah, I have a couple. I like Elodie. I like Sharon Bordeaux. She has nice vlogs. Miss Trudy is also nice. And Elinipa, my girl. They're really awesome. You should check out their channels, by the way. Yeah, they're awesome. Internationally, Superwoman.
Yeah.
Have you ever Superwoman? Superwoman is awesome. Superwoman is awesome. I look up to her. Superwoman and who else? I don't know. As in nowadays, I'm just more into Kenyan stuff. Yeah. I would say vlogs, because vlogs are, I don't know, you get to see someone's actual life. It's not something that is planned or something that can be, I don't know, staged. Yeah, and plus you also get to see places like this video right now we're shooting. Someone who hasn't been to Hyrax, yeah? As in, they get to have an idea of what this place is about. So definitely it would be vlogs. Yes, vlogs. You're right. Follow the route, right? And then, you guys, this is what you see. This is what we see. Look, shimo peke yake. I don't mean to be rude, lakini ni shimo tu. Like, I can actually do this at our backyard and look at it, I'm like, oh God, I'm home. I'm looking at. Oh my God! At 2007, like, wait, you want one for 750, and then it was like, we don't have that money, and then it was like, Basi will sell it at 400. Like, no, I'm not going to buy that money. That's even too much. And I was like, we even had one before, and then actually bought it at 250. Then it was like, sasa madhe utafika wapi mwisho? And I was like, basi mimi kana tu naweza ongeza 250 more, and then he sold it to me at 300.
Wow.
Like, oh, you're so still.
She got a selfie stick. Everything has a story, by the way. Like these glasses. I'll tell you a story about these glasses, but it'll be a story for another day. This should make a good cover. Thumbnail. Good thumbnail.
Woo!
So I came across Maureen Spears through the comments of my video, and she just commented on how that she's new in Nakuru and if you can do a collab with her, and I said why not, and this is what I decided to do. So that's been it, guys. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, and also mine if you haven't subscribed, and see you in the next one.
Okay.
Peace.